great race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go Go Thomas.
Welcome you are. What he means is, welcome you are. That's what I just said. Anyways, welcome to the Great Train Race, round, I believe, 3. So, let's go on down to the big TV, up to the big TV, and just start the race. Now let's begin. Hello everyone, this is Nick the Red Set on Take Entry 2009, and I'm here with Red and Bomb, like you saw before this even begun. But anyway, we're here for the great race. We're going to be watching as these great locomotives go through their warm-ups. And we're down to the final 8, which includes Nia and Spencer, Gordon and Percy, Young Bell and Thomas, and I believe Belle and Rosie. Alright, so let's go through the matchups. First will be Nia and Spencer. I think Nia's a heavy favorite. What do you think, Red? Yeah, I guess. It's because, like when she popped up in Big World Big Adventures, however, that wasn't really good. However, I honestly think Spencer should win. Because I think he's my favorite character, even though he's not Red. Yeah, I truly respect your opinion. And the next matchup will be Gordon and Percy. We like Percy. What do you think Gordon's chances are in this race? Well, Gordon is kind of big, and since Percy's small, we guess it to be either Percy by choice, because he's smaller and less weight. He doesn't have a tent to pull. But yeah, he's a tank engine. Yeah, okay. I think a big fan favorite in this race is gonna be Thomas. What do you think, Red? Yeah, I think so too. He was my favorite train, but he's not Red. Yeah, but I knew him before Red was killed. James is already eliminated. Now, I honestly think Belle, the fire engine here, she is the only favorite because she has won all the previous races here in this app. She's going up against Rosie, which is a good contestant now. What do you think about these two? Well, I know that since Belle has won, she does it really good going over those tracks. Even though her design is pretty much terrible, but I would much for Rosie. Alright. So for our first race of round 3, we have the matchup of Nia versus Spencer. I think Nia is a new favorite for this race. I do believe I wanted it to be Spencer. But let's see how he does against Nia. Alright, let's get them ready. Say it with me now, Funnel Tunnel. Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Nia's pulling ahead. Spencer's catching up, but he's falling behind. What do you think, Red? Well, I kind of like Nia. I still like Spencer. He's really fast. But look at Nia. She's honestly going to win. She's coming to these races. We need to count that. Alright, Nia's on to the last lap. Now Spencer's on to the last lap. I think Nia's going to be the clear winner. Yep, Nia is the winner. That's the race. Alright, so Nia goes on to round 4. Spencer, go home. Yeah. Alright, let's go to the next race. Okay, so now it's Gordon versus Percy. Now, I honestly think Percy should win this race. What do you think? Well, let's begin this race and find out. Okay then.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the Rolling Wall. Ready.
Okay. On your mark, get set, go! Gordon out to an early lead. Way ahead of Percy. This is the last lap. I think Gordon's gonna make it. Gordon's so far ahead. Percy's really trying to catch up. But Gordon's so far ahead, nothing can stop him now. Oh no, Red! Red! Red doesn't want Percy to lose! Oh! What happened? So, Gordon is the winner. Percy had been eliminated. And despite my really high hopes of having Percy to win, but Gordon goes on to the next round, Percy goes home. Now let's go on to the next race. Okay, our next race is going to be Yang Bao, the engine from China, and everyone's favorite #1 engine, Thomas. Who do you think will win? Red and Bomb, you want Thomas to win, or do you want Yang Bao to win? Let's find out. Who will win? So, each is going to race, I believe, in the Frantic Fortress, I think. And whoever makes it to the finish line is the fastest wins. So here we go. Alright, on your mark, get set, go! There, look at Thomas. He's taking off on an early start, my goodness. Got such a very good start for Thomas. There, he's in the lead. Thomas is going to make it to the finish line and then do the last lap. Yang Bao's really trying to catch up. Thomas is going extremely fast. Dumbbell's falling way behind. Awesome. It looks like Thomas is gonna win. Yep, Thomas is the winner. It makes everybody happy, especially. So, Thomas goes on to the next round of the Great Race. Good job, Thomas. You're a really useful engine. You did better than Streamline, Thomas. Okay, so now we're on to our last race of round 3. It's going to be Belle versus Rosie. Now, some people say that Belle has a pretty unfair character design because of her big water cannons, but others say that Rosie has the advantage because she has less weight than Belle. But we're gonna find out who's faster. Now, I think Red is on Belle's side, while Bob wants Rosie to win, but we'll see who wins. Alright, let's do this.
Belle, Rosie, select your track. Belle versus Rosie. Ladies and
Alright, on your mark, get set, go! Belle just left Rosie in the dust. That is shocking. Belle was just zipping away from Rosie. This is just too much of a blowout. Belle just left Rosie. Look at this. Belle loves races. You look at her go. Rosie, I think Belle's gonna be tough to beat. This is the last lap. Let's go, Belle. Yet another race won by Belle. So these are the last 4 locomotives for the Great Race. The 4 fastest steamies in the app, because that's all that's left. We have Nia, we have Gordon, we have Belle, and we have Thomas. Who do you think will win? So tune in for the next round of the Great Race, round 4. We will have a battle between 2 of these really fast steamies. And we'll look forward to finding out who is indeed the fastest engine in the app. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. This is Nick the Red Saddle Tank Engine. Bye.